Is that?
In the bedroom and also in the hallway.
I did.
You did both?
Gotta hate those last minute things. You're like, oh my God, I forgot.
the bed. Do you have your passport?
Oh. Yep, there it is.
There he is.
There he is. He got somebody.
Yeah.
Wait, ain't that our little friend that flew
I
by us? Ah! I love it.
That was him.
It wasn't instant, but that's karma.
Oh yeah. That guy's gonna get this in it.
Who's he getting? Who's he getting? Oh, come on, who's he getting? I'm gonna stay on the out just to fucking see who's he getting. I don't know.
They're interesting to you guys, but I never look at the polls and think, oh, you know what, Hillary has a comfortable lead according to, all of these polls put together and analyzed together. It doesn't mean anything, okay? It means something.
By the way, as we were talking, 54% chance that Donald Trump wins. They moved while we were talking.
Depending on how often they drain. Asim's eyes fluctuate in degrees of red, and their veins distend when riled. Sages, those responsible for initiates, eyes permanently their veins perpetually distended toward their temples, expanding with age. Mavens, their generals, have never been captured for examination. Chapter 47. So much for thinking I have the advantage. Her eyes flare like she's come to the same conclusion as we circle each other, and then they narrow in a way that makes my stomach clench. Devera may have set the rules, but something tells me Kat is about to break them. Does it bother you? She asked.
What are you doing? Pull over! Stop!
Hello for you.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get my wife and kids.
Okay, and you think that trying to kill somebody is the way to do that? Give me your driver's license. Give me your driver's license. I'm asking for your driver's license. Hey! I asked. He said he's going to the zoo.
Oh my God. Hey!
Hey, watch out. Don't let him kill somebody.
Stop! Hey, no! Hey! What are you doing?
125. We just had somebody about hit us multiple times out here. Start me another car.
Out of your vehicle, or were you in the vehicle and they tried to hit you?
We were out of it. He's not being compliant. Probably gonna have a taser use.
Pretty well, you get a feedback on the inside of the gunpoint.
Get on the ground!
Okay.
Turn around!
It's about you.
Get on your stomach now!
Okay, yeah,
Get on your stomach!
Like the movie, I swear.
Do not move! Get on the ground!
Do not move.
What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You almost hit a trooper.
I'm sorry.
125, we have him in custody. Have a taser use. Start me a supervisor.
It's just about my wife and kids, who are me.
And
I
get me a
am her.
medic.
And it's just about her. And I love you guys, and I know you don't mean to hurt me. Okay? So I just need...
in custody.
I just need for you guys to help me up.
Well, you're under arrest.
You were
You're going to jail.
down.
Do you have anything on you?
No, nothing at all. Just in this.
Why did you not listen to us?
Because it wasn't about me, it was about my wife and kids.
All right.
Guess what? Now it's about you.
Okay.
Where's your ID at, man?
I don't have anything on
Did you
me.
already search it?
Listen,
No.
just stand me up. I will not hurt you.
Well, you're not moving right now. We've got a medic coming. You're going to jail.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You are.
No, it's Nirvana, and I'm not gonna hurt you. I swear. I just stuttered right there on
What's
accident.
going on with your wife and kids?
I'm trying to get to them. I just need to communicate.
Okay, well, that's not happening.
Well, it is though, because you're gonna help me, and I love you, and it's not about you now. There's a time for that. But right now, I just needed to get back
Let's
to
sit him
you.
up.
Okay. Okay.
Sit up.
Okay. Sorry.
All right. We're gonna go sit over here.
Okay, that's fine too. Just can I just feel my hands real quick? Just really quick. I know you guys need this.
All right. Let's bring him over here to the curb and set him down. Sit down.
Yes.
Right here.
Yes. Just can I feel my hand? It's got to be like a movie. Okay. So they need to understand that it's okay and I love you. Just take the cuffs off.
125. You can clear the channel just as long as we got a supervisor and at least another car coming and a medic.
873, go ahead.